Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now I'm visiting the vending machine again. Number 1 Ford GT, the green Jeep Cherokee, Ford RS Focus, the Toon Batmobile, another GT40. Then we have the Fairlady Z, the new GT40, and this Glory Chaser, a Toon Silverado, very nice, very cute. And the Ford GT40 Racing, the Purple Gasser, the Knight Rider. Behind I see Roger Dodger and a time machine from Back to the Future. Then we have AC Cobra, the Moon Eyes is very nice. The green Volvo, I already have 2. Another Toon Batmobile, a motorbike, a Fairlady, the white Honda N600. I'm going to buy this. In my previous vending machine video, this one was behind. Now it's in front. So, yay. The Borla Jeep, the Bugatti EB110 in grey. Very nice. I'm tempted. Ford Bronco and the rest is nonsense. The yellow Fairlady, and this one is the police version. Extra 5 ringgit. I don't know why. So out comes my money to buy number 37. Behind is the Chevy Bel Air. So this is what I have bought. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.